Guys, welcome back. So today we're in Huntington, Tennessee, and we're on Highway 22 South, at the south edge of the city limits here in Huntington. So what you're looking at here is a manufacturing factory by the name of Hydro Gear. Now this factory came into Huntington in 2021, and they make power equipment drive systems, I guess like transmissions or uh, power motors, transaxles, stuff like that is what I understand. Uh, and when they first opened up in 2021, they said they were going to employ about 375 people. So I don't know how many they employ today, if it's that or maybe possibly more. Really not sure. But the building looks really nice. Now, interesting thing about this to me is uh, this building was actually built, I guess, by the city of Huntington. It was built back in 2004, and it's like 84,000 square feet when it was built. Now I don't know if anything's been added on to it or not, but so over 80,000 square foot, and it was built as a spec building. Basically, a building they built it in the hopes that a manufacturing company would come in and bring work and bring jobs into the community. Well, it did, as you see. Hydro Gear. Hydro Gear. Uh, by the way, they have a corporate office in Williamson County, Tennessee. Williamson County, Tennessee is like the richest county in the state of Tennessee. So, the little tidbit there for you. And this company was founded, Hydro Gear, in Sullivan, Illinois. Um, but yeah, they built this as a spec building in 2004, and with hopes of something coming in. Well, it finally did 17 years later. So basically, this building sat empty here for almost 17 years. 17 years before this manufacturing company came in here. And I know the folks in Huntington are glad to have it. It's brought in probably around 400 jobs into the community, and it looks really nice. The landscaping looks good. The facade, building facade, and everything. The parking lot looks really good. Matter of fact, I may just ride around the corner and show you the main parking lot. Again, it's on Highway 22 South, and I seen a sign here that said this is the South Huntington Industrial Park South. Now they have another industrial park actually on the north side of town. I'm not sure what's out there now. I don't think there's a whole lot out there. Uh, Maybe one factory, and there's another factory right over here. I'm not 100% sure about that one. I'll have to do a little research and see exactly what that one is. But that came in sometime after this one did, I believe. So after 2001. Like I said, guys, it's a nice building. The properties are very nice and nicely maintained. A really nice parking lot out here for the employees. Uh, Now it's Sunday. Today's Sunday, and obviously there's nobody working today. So I guess they probably work Monday through Friday, maybe. So Monday through Friday job here. Not sure what the pay rate is. That would be interesting to know if anybody knows anything about the place. Let us know what the pay rate is here, what they pay, because I have no idea. But anyway, guys, there you go. Just a little look at Hydro Gear Manufacturing Company, manufacturing plant here in Huntington, Tennessee. Like I said, guys, it was originally a spec building built by the city of Huntington in 2004. So it took them 17 years, but they got a factory in here. All right, guys, catch you on the next one.